In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a 1099 NEC form on Freetaxusa. Filing your 1099 NEC form doesn't have to be a daunting task, and with Freetaxusa, the process is straightforward, affordable, and efficient. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you complete your filing accurately and on time. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Freetaxusa website. Once you're on the home page, locate the section dedicated to e-filing your 1099 NEC form. Freetaxusa offers free federal e-filing, and state filing is available at a nominal fee of $14.99. Click on the link to start the process. This service is designed to simplify your tax filing, especially tailored for those who are self-employed, independent contractors, or freelancers. Now, whether you have experience filing these forms or this is your first time, Freetaxusa provides a user-friendly platform that walks you through each step. Next, it's time to get your 1099 NEC form ready for the IRS. Follow the prompts on the website. The platform offers a seamless experience by checking your inputs for common errors to ensure precision. It's crucial to have your client information and payment amounts ready, as you'll need this to fill in your form accurately. The system is designed to help you by cross-verifying your information to reduce the chances of any discrepancies, ensuring you have a smooth and error-free filing experience. For those who are managing taxes related to self-employment, freelance work, or independent contracting, Freetaxusa is equipped to handle your needs efficiently. Here, you have the option to compile all relevant tax forms needed for your specific situation. This feature is particularly beneficial if you'd like to manage multiple streams of income under one account. Once you have entered the relevant information, navigate to the option marked Start 2024 Return. This is your cue to initiate the filing process for the current tax period. Starting your return this way saves time and provides a structured, organized approach to handling your tax-related documents. Be sure to double-check everything to ensure accuracy before finalizing your submission. One of the great benefits of using Freetaxusa is that all 1099 forms are included without additional charges for federal filing. This means you can file as many 1099 forms as necessary without incurring extra costs, making it perfect for businesses or individuals with multiple clients. In summary, filing your 1099 NEC form through Freetaxusa is accomplished in a few simple steps. Access the e-filing section, prepare your information, e-file to the IRS, manage your independent contractor taxes, and finalize through the Start Return option, all complemented by inclusive free federal filings. With these tools at your disposal, you can file your taxes confidently and also potentially save time and money. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide was helpful. Happy filing!